In this video, I want to show you how to select a specific version of Python using Visual Studio. That becomes important in some cases when certain libraries only work with a certain version of Python and you need to get some work done with that library. You may want to, first, I'll show you how you can install an old version, and then I'll show you how you select it with Visual Studio. Both are pretty easy. So I will share this link in the description, but this will, as you see, has all previous versions of Python listed here. And you could just simply select one. Actually, go to like a 3.10, and you'll see you'll have a package here. I'm using a Mac, and so if you're installing a pack, you want to go with that. On a Mac, on a Windows, you might want to do the exe, I guess. Just so you see, I click there, downloads the package, and then it's a matter of kind of clicking on that and stepping through the installation process. I'm not going to do that right now. I already have that version, I believe. And so, all right, so once you've got it on your system, then you can go ahead and you would probably want to, if you have Visual Studio open, you probably want to quit it and then reopen it for it to be able to show. Then you're going to go to View, Command Palette, and you're going to, it's showing at the top here for me because I've used this feature before, but I remember when I hadn't used it before, I had to type this in, Python : and select, and then at that point it'll pop up and you'll see it. So it's Python select interpreter. Click on that and you'll have your various versions of Python that you can select to use, and you could have 10 different versions and you just select which one you want, and then after you select it, you may actually need to restart again, but then it should be using that version, and that's how you go about that. So pretty simple process. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll provide the link in the description for the downloading specific versions of Python. Thanks.